So this is your truck.
Yep.
So
Cost me a pile of money, buddy.
on paper at least, this is probably my most serious competition here. Or should I say I'm your most serious competition?
Well, I still haven't ran a 10 yet, but we'll see what happens.
All right. So this is your truck.
Yep.
So
Cost me a pile of money, buddy.
on paper at least, this is probably my most serious competition here. Or should I say I'm your most serious competition?
Well, I still haven't ran a 10 yet, but we'll see what happens.
All right.
Been working through a few little things. And
Always. Your buddy here was playing real coy at Carlisle for you. He's like, it's great. It's a great truck.
It's a great truck. That's all you need to know. And it's got 2 fuel regulators. That's it.
stock.
So
It's got engine intake. Kind of that.
So what do we got? What do we got here?
Hellion twin turbos.
All right.
That's all I know.
Stock motor.
Yep. Stock motor, stock trans.
Any suspension work?
Got Belltech fully adjustable coilovers in the front. Got flip kit in the rear.
Okay.
So it's lower about 3 and 5. No traction bars. Now, the flip kit I got from the first setup actually added a leaf spring, so it makes it a lot tighter back there. So I haven't had any hopping issues so far. So, but we'll see how it goes.
What's the goal for the day?
Hope for mid to low 10. Hopefully.
How much power did she make? It ain't gonna change nothing.
900 to 900. 900 to the tires. Power 945 forward.
That was how much boost?
I think it's like around 13 and a half, somewhere around in there.
So we got what, a 2018 GT intake with it?
Yep. Yeah, we did that. Before I changed it to E85, it did the 93 tune, and that alone made like a 40 horsepower difference. Roughly. So,
all right, man. What type?
definitely helped.
No drag radius, regular tires.
Nope.
So it's even playing field. It's even playing field. It almost wasn't. My drag radios didn't come in on time, but it should be some fun. It's a beautiful truck.
Thank you. Yeah, I love the color. That was my biggest thing.
Oh yeah, that lead foot gray. Oh, you got the helmet to match.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how freaking close the color that helmet is.
Oh man. All right, what's your name?
Mike.
Mike.
Let's drink you.
Dorian.
Oh, don't worry, I know.
All right, getting ready to run a twin turbo 2018 Evolution built truck. Oh man, this should be one heck of a race. Slept at the tree a little bit. Thank you. Okay. 1080. Oh my god. That reaction time was terrible. Woo! Okay. Doing a second qualifying pass. We're lined up with the twin turbo truck again. We're gonna try and let him bulb in and give him a chance to brake boosted some. He's supposed to tap his horn when he's ready. Then I'll bulb in a second and then we'll go. It's hot. It's hot. It always hurts turning that AC off on a hot day at the track. Well, that didn't quite go as planned. I waited for him. I single bulbed in. I waited for him, and whoo! There we go. Maybe you can hear me now. I single bulbed in. I waited for him. He double bulbed in. He built boost. He hit the horn. I double bulbed in. He left before the yellow lights came on. Yes, he is a little antsy. I mean, like it, anyway, I've been there before too. You're trying to get things dialed in, and between the Pro Tree, a new setup, it's a lot going on. So, well, those were the 2 qualifying runs. So now, our next run is an actual event. So, the next one truly counts. Like, these were arranged setup runs against each other that we were both trying to win, but the next one is when it really counts. Thank you. About the same as last time. 1070, 129. There we go. So we got Ken here. We got Matt. F-150 Performance Group knows these 2 guys pretty well. Infamous. Yeah, man. The beginning. It's what, you, Robert Lee, me, who else? Daniel. Yep. Yeah. Me. Yeah, man. So.
The OGs.
So how we look? I haven't seen all the competition. How am I looking against the competition so far?
I seen the Hellion truck was scared, so he left about 2 seconds early, and then you just about ran him down about the 1,000-foot mark. So I don't think he's got any more.
We'll see. We'll see. I mean, the first 2 were throwaway races, really. Now it counts.
Yep. Let's see,
now it counts.
If, Matt can drive it this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What happened? What's going on with Buttercup, man?
Clutch held that fast. 135.
First class was a clutch. Second class, it was the nut behind the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Gotta tighten him up.
It's loose.
Manual problems.
3rd time's a charm.
Well, I can't even call it manual problems because I'll be the one to leave it in 2-wheel drive like last night.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, let's not do that today.
I'm making a conscious effort.
You ain't write a checklist and stick it on your windshield for you?
I normally kind of go through one.
We gotta go through it twice today, okay?
Yeah.
We gotta win this race.
We are at round 1 of eliminations against the twin turbo truck. All our cameras rolling, we have our data log rolling. We are in 4-wheel drive, traction control is off.
Supercharger will take it back to 3 and 4.
Okay, thank you. 1060 at 131. have actually just went faster each pass. That's good. So. How'd she do?
11 basically.
11.0? Well, how'd the mile an hour go?
Almost 128.
Shit. That was a big jump from where you were.
Yeah.
And that was what? That was the 14 pounds?
Why not that? No, I think that's probably only about 11 or 12. So, like I said, you know.
Okay, we're in the finals of the truck class of the Coyote Shootout here at ACO. Let's see if we can close the deal. Running a 2018 F-150. Truck champion this week. Nah, but honestly, had a lot of fun. Got to see a lot of good guys from let's get that off. A lot of fun. Got to see a lot of good guys from that follow me on YouTube, that follow me on Instagram, and that are just plain and simply in some of the truck groups that I'm in. So I had a ball. Thank you. Yeah, I kind of eased out because I felt I had enough, because the guy was he's an NA truck. He made it to the finals, and great guy, nice truck. But I mean, give me the same truck and one's NA, one's supercharged. Usually it's pretty simple. So he made a good run. He ran a 12.3. $1.11. I just kind of eased out and then just hit it topside just to make sure the deal was sealed. I didn't see the point in trying to risk red lighting or breaking anything, so we kept it calm. Ran a 11.6, had a $1.20. Well, in closing, it was a great time at the Coyote Shootout. Big thanks to Ken Osborne for being there and giving great support. The guys that threw it, the Coyote Shootout guys, and Evolution Motorsports, they were one of the big hosts, so I had fun. We were lucky enough to win the truck class. I look forward to seeing that twin turbo truck again after he gets a little more dialed in and gets a little more seat time with it. Wish I have some real good races there. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. Take a look at what's coming, because we have some changes and some upgrades coming. Till next time, Boosted F-150 out. Oh, What do we have here? Yes. 4 of them. Really? Work equipment, street truck. Daily driver. Oh yeah. Some fun is coming.